If you want a monitor that can handle professional creative work during the day and high-refresh gaming at night, the INNOCN CB32U1 is one of the most versatile options available in 2026. After looking at everything it offers, it's clear this monitor is built for users who don't want to compromise between productivity and entertainment. The highlight is its 32-inch IPS display with a sharp 4K resolution running at up to 120 Hz. Everything from text to photos looks incredibly crisp, making it a great choice for MacBook users, designers, photographers, and video editors. One of its most interesting features is dual mode, allowing you to switch to full HD and boost the refresh rate up to 240 Hz for fast-paced competitive gaming. Image quality is excellent. The monitor is factory calibrated with a delta E below 1, covers 99% DCI, P3 and 99% Adobe sRGB color spaces, and supports HDR 400. Colors look accurate straight out of the box, making it suitable for professional editing without requiring much calibration. While HDR 400 won't match mini LED or OLED displays, it still provides brighter highlights and better contrast than standard SDR monitors. Gamers will appreciate the smooth 120 Hz refresh rate in 4K mode and the option to switch to 240 Hz in Full HD for competitive titles. The IPS panel also delivers wide viewing angles and good motion performance, making it suitable for both gaming and content consumption. Connectivity is another major advantage. You get HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, and a USB-C port with 90W power delivery, allowing compatible laptops like the MacBook Pro to receive video, data, and charging through a single cable. The ergonomic stand supports height adjustment, tilt, swivel, and pivot for maximum comfort. There are a few drawbacks. Since it's an IPS panel, black levels aren't as deep as OLED, and HDR performance is limited compared to premium mini LED displays. It also lacks some extras like built-in speakers or a KVM switch that some competitors include. Who should buy this monitor? It's an excellent choice for creators, programmers, photographers, Mac users, and gamers who want one display for everything. If you mainly play competitive esports or want true HDR performance, you may prefer a 240 Hz OLED or mini LED alternative. Overall, the INNOCN CB32U1 offers an impressive mix of professional color accuracy, smooth gaming performance, modern connectivity, and premium ergonomics. If you'd like to check the latest price or grab one for yourself, click the Amazon affiliate link in the description below.